Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to discuss about like operator in Scala. So, why generally we use like operator? So, it is used to search content in a text. What does it mean? It means that with the help of a like function, we are search certain kind of a content in a text. So, we are going to see what does it means with the help of exercise. So in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating a schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. I am creating 6 columns, their name and the data types. This is the name, this is the data type, AP name, string type, AP gender, string type, AP salary, string type, state, string type, AP city and string type. With the help of a spark.read.csv function, I am reading a CSV file by passing the path of the CSV file with the help of this custom schema, which we have just created above. Once this data frame gets created, so what we are going to do, we are filtering the column. Which column we are, based on which column we are filtering this data frame with the help of a AP name column. On the name AP name column, we are making condition based on the like operator. So we need to understand this percentage sign. This percentage means any character which could be start with any alphabet which is ends with any alphabet. If in between if VS is present, then filter those records and create this data frame. We will see different combination of this percentage sign once we will jump in our Databricks for the practical implementation of this like operator. The code till creation of the data frame by reading a CSV file we have done multiple times in this video series. So I'm not going to write the code again. What I will do, I will just copy the code from one of my previous exercise and I will show you how this like operator works in Scala. Let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name the notebook as like. Connect this notebook with currently running cluster. Now let's copy the code till reading the CSV file and creation of a data frame. This code will import all the required libraries. This will create a custom schema. And this will going to read the CSV file and create the data frame. Let's run the code one by one. It is taking some time. So all the required libraries are available in this notebook. Let's create this custom schema. Custom schema has been created successfully. Let's read the CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function. Okay, this CSV file has been read successfully. Let's display the content of this data frame. Okay, so this is the content of the data frame. Now let's see how the like operator can be used in Scala. So let's create one data frame. So how we are going to create the, how can we going to use the like operator? First, let's use the filter condition. And in the filter, based on which column we are doing the filter? We are doing the filter based on the AP underscore name. And what is the condition we are putting? We are putting like. In the like, what percentage and a small s. So what it will going to do? It will check. It will know. It will. The text start with any character, ends with any character. If in between a small s is present, it will going to filter those records and create and put in this data frame. So let's run it. Display the content. We can see only one records are there, because if you see there are 5 records, only this record has a small s. That's why it is filtering based on this condition. Let's filter the data frame with the help of one more condition. Let's put it 1 here. And what I'm going to do, I'm just saying that the first character must be start with yes, and it will end with any character, but the first character must be start with s. Let's see which character, which record it is getting filtered out. Now this data frame has been created. Display this data frame. Okay, we can see there are 2 records in AP name column where the text is started with capital yes. That's why it is filtering out all those things. Means these 2 records. Now let's filter with the help of one more condition. 2. What I'm just saying that it will start with any character, but it will end with yes. It will start with any character, but it will end with yes. Let's run it. Let's display. We can see there is one character, there is one text which ends with yes, h. This is the only record. We can verify from here only. There are 5 records and only one records which is ending with h. So we can use the like operator with a different ways based on our requirement, but this percentage sign will plays a very important role. So in this video we have seen how we can filter a data frame with the help of a like operator. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.